I'm making a bracelet that's going to be a pretty good match for these earrings. We're going to start off with 5 inches of 24 gauge wire. And what we're going to do first is we have to make a loop here. We have to wire wrap this to this. This is a pre-made bracelet. So we're going to come down 1.5 inches. We're going to bring the wire to the back. Come in with our round nose pliers. Come up, over, down. Rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. Now what we're going to do is take this loop and we're actually going to attach it right to the end of the bracelet. So we're going to open the door and slide on the end of our bracelet. There's a loop here that we can fit through here. And then slide it on like that. And now we're going to wire wrap it. So I'm going to hang on to my loop. And since this is 24 gauge wire, I can come around with my fingers. It's fairly soft wire. I'm going to come around 3 times. And then I'm going to cut it. Pinch down my burr. And now I'm going to stack on my gemstones. I'm going to start with a pearl. And then my gold spacer bead. I've got 3 turquoise chips. Another spacer bead, Larimar, Amethyst, another spacer bead, then we've got our little tiny pearls, bead, turquoise, bead, and finish up with our pearl. So there's our bracelet. Now what we're going to do is we have to wire wrap the end to the other side. So we're going to pinch it down with our pliers, bring the wire to the back, come in with our round nose pliers, come up, over, down, rotate our pliers and bring the wire to the back. Now what we have to do is slip on the other side of our bracelet and just push that through. Let it come all the way down to our loop that we made. And now we're going to wire wrap. Okay, now I'm going to pinch down the loop, use my fingers, and just come around 3 times. And then I'm going to cut, and we will be done. Pinch the burr down. And that was pretty easy. You just use this silicone slider at the end and push up your bracelet. And what you can do with this is, this wire is so pliable, you can bend it to the shape of your wrist and just go up and down. Okay, that's about it. Pretty easy. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.